Hi everyone, karibuni tena to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Njerie Gitau, karibuni. In today's video, I wanted to do a review of this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I've never used it for a Bantu knot or any other curly hairstyle except for a flexi rod, and I wanted to see how it held up with a Bantu knot. So these are my results. You may not be able to see the definition clearly, but if you'd like to see how I achieved this, then keep watching the video, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Before I start doing my hair, I'd like to mention that this is not the first time I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I've used it to stretch my hair using rollers, and I have used it on a flexi rod set about 2 times. I'll try and insert photos of both times. I liked the results with the flexi rod set. My hair had movement, it had definition, and then the style held for a really long time. It didn't feel as heavy as a cream, and it wasn't as crunchy as a gel. So today I want to do the review, but on a different hairstyle. I'll do twists at the base and then do a Bantu knot. I want to check the definition when I use it. I want to see how it interacts with the products I'm going to use today. And I want to see if my hair will dry faster. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and then I'll go in with a little bit of my Cantu leave-in conditioning repairing cream, which I'm almost running out of, and I ran out of conditioner. Time to break the bank again. Then after that, I'm going to avoid an oil, and because this has literally revolutionized my moisture game, I'm going to skip the oil altogether and then go in with my Tashian Naturals shea butter, organic shea butter. And because shea butter is usually a bit heavy, I'll just go in with a little bit just to seal the moisture. And then now I'll top it off with my Cream of Nature Foaming Mousse. I really hope it will not flake. I really hope my hair will still have a lot of movement, and I really hope to retain moisture. So the rest of the video will not need much of a voiceover. It's pretty straightforward. And after all those stories, let's just get straight into it. We're going to repeat the same thing for this last section. Going in with my foaming mousse, a full pump. My fingers are a bit slippery. That's why I can't hold it in the air. Then do the ends a bit just to ensure that they're coated. Drag the product through the rest of that section. Twist about a half of it. And then start twirling it around my hand or finger and create a joint where it's going to start twirling. And the one thing I would like to mention about this foaming mousse, the thing that I actually don't like is, what do you call the in English? It's like it makes me feel weird, funny. Like my fingers feel, I don't know how to explain it, but they look as if I've been in water for a long period of time. I don't know if you can see that. So when I touch my nails, it feels it's like in Sister Act when Whoopi Goldberg takes, is it a fork or is it usually her nails, and scratches the blackboard. You know that feeling you get? Like, that is what we call the. So it makes me feel that for my fingers. I don't know why. Other than that, my head is done. I am going to bed, clearly. I'm very tired. But I'm going to stay with a turban on my head the whole day because I have to leave early in the morning. And I want to ensure that my hair is all the way dry before I undo it. So I'll probably do it the day after tomorrow. I really hope they come out nicely. I hope they dry all the way. And I hope they come out shiny and bouncy. So we'll see that once I undo them. So it's time to undo this. And I'm going to use my olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture to just undo them. I'll undo them slowly. I'm hoping I have definition. It's actually super defined. And now I'm going to start at the back and undo them until everything is done. Then you'll see the completed look. The camera can't catch the definition, but if I pull a little, you can see. I'll have to fluff it out for it to look presentable. I hope it's going to look bomb. I like Bantu knots that look nice. Yeah. So for this, just a minute. For this last one here, I'll again unscrew it, pull it all the way. You can see that. And then since I had twisted, I'm just sort of twisting it in the opposite direction so that I can get like space for me to put my finger through. And then slowly as I twist it with these two fingers, I'm just pulling it apart with those two. And then for each section, I decided I'll just separate as my hair wants to separate. I don't know if you can see that. And for those that look like they want to be frizzy, I just twirl it around my finger just a bit so that it looks less frizzy. And then do the same for the other part. And that is it. I found that simpler than undoing them all and then separating later. So now I'm just going to fluff until I can get definition and until it can look nice. Yeah. I hope I won't end up with no definition but a lot of volume. It always seems to happen to me. Like when I get volume, there's no definition. When I have definition, there's no volume. So let's see how that goes. So after fluffing it out, these are my results. And my hair is not as big as I'd want it to be, but it will continue getting bigger as the days go by. And hopefully I'll be able to show you maybe on a different day how it looks. But if not, this is how it came out. The thing that impressed me about the foaming mousse is I thought it would be a bit drying, but it wasn't. Then again, I'll leave the link in the description for that article. I changed a few things in my regimen and found that my moisture game has just gone all the way up. Like I've never known I could have such moisture and maintain it throughout the whole week. So that also helped because that's the method I used before I went in with the foaming mousse, and my hair feels soft, it doesn't feel crunchy, it's all the way dry, it has movement. Like I just want to keep my hands in it, but that will miss the point. I really liked this, and as you can remember, I did the twists and then the Bantu knot, so I was still able to get definition, and it has like the definition is crazy. It's like if I used a styling cream, which is what I usually do. So if you'd like to try this product for a curly hairstyle and you have for A, B, C or combination type of hair, then it's going to do something legit because it did something on my hair. I usually have for C mostly at the back and a very loose texture here at the crown and tighter around here and here. So everywhere, like it has definition everywhere. So I'm guessing it would work for all hair types. I got mine at Dubois Road. Again, I'll leave that in the description box, the directions in case you want it. And it's very cost effective. I think it was like 600 bob or $6 for those who are not in Kenya. And I've had it since last year and I've used it like this is the 6th time. So that's very impressive. I liked it. I enjoyed filming this video. I love the results. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to contribute, do you have feedback? Have you ever used this product? How do you think it came out on my hair? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's continue to interact. You can also follow me on my socials. I'll also leave that in somewhere down here. And then if you've gotten to this part of the video and you haven't subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can keep getting alerts each and every time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for getting to the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one.